Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use estimates within the client portal. That's right, we're going to be using the client portal to the fullest of its ability by using estimates and sending them to our customers and allowing them to view them on the desktop and mobile apps. Let's dive right in. Now, obviously, there's two prerequisites for this. One, you have to make an estimate. In order to do that, just go to Payments, go to Invoices and Estimates, click New Estimate. And from here, all you have to do is add a product from your products list and then select a customer and make sure this is a customer that either already has access to your client portal or you're going to give access to the client portal. A great way to do this would be with an automation. Just keep that in mind. That would be a great business use case to add customers to the client portal with estimates so they can view their estimates live on desktop and mobile. Now, when you have your estimate created, you also obviously have to already have a client portal created. Then whenever a customer logs into their client portal on desktop, this is what they're going to see. They're going to be able to see their regular screens for joining a community, taking courses, checking affiliate earnings, etc. And they'll also be able to see on their main homepage where there are invoices, shared files, and estimates. Here's their estimate where they can preview it right here in this screen. And this will take them to the link to the estimate itself. So not only can they view it, but they can reject and accept the estimate essentially from the client portal. And on mobile, they can do the exact same thing by navigating to the home page within the client portal, clicking estimates, then they can see that estimate and view it by clicking view, which will then take them to the link to the estimate itself, where they can reject, accept, and view the estimate all in one cohesive customer experience. This is a really cool feature and already has lots of possibilities on its own for your business. So I hope you get to try this out. Be sure to get your customers into the client portal and use this feature. And as always, I hope you learned something new. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you very much for watching.